Unwrapping the Mystery of UV Mapping, a guide for 3D enthusiasts. Hello, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 3D graphics. Specifically, we'll explore what UV mapping is and why it's important in the realm of 3D modeling and design. Whether you're a graphic designer, a game developer, or just curious about how your favorite animated movies are made, understanding UV mapping is key. So let's get started and unfold the secrets of UV mapping together. UV mapping is a process used by artists and designers to apply 2D textures to a 3D model. Imagine you have a complex 3D shape, like a globe, and you want to put a flat map of the world on it. UV mapping allows you to do that, but with digital models. The U and V refer to the axis of the 2D texture that correspond to the X, Y, and Z axis of the 3D object. Think of it as a custom-made suit. The 2D texture has to fit perfectly on the 3D model to look right. UV mapping is crucial in the 3D modeling world because it ensures that textures are wrapped around models in a way that looks natural and realistic. Without proper UV mapping, textures would stretch or squish incorrectly, leading to strange and unrealistic images. Good UV mapping can make a model come to life with rich details and believable textures. The UV mapping process involves several steps. First, the modeler creates a UV map, which is like a flattened version of the model's surface. This flat map is then used as a guide to paint textures in a 2D image editor. Once the textures are completed, they are mapped back onto the 3D model, using the UV map as a reference. This allows the textures to follow the model's contours exactly. UV mapping can be a complex task because it requires careful planning and attention to detail. A common challenge is minimizing seams or lines where the 2D texture meets at the edges. Modelers use various techniques to hide or blend these seams. Another challenge is avoiding texture distortion, which means the texture must be evenly distributed without stretching or pinching. This technique is used across various industries, from video games to movies to virtual reality. It's an essential skill for any 3D artist. In video games, UV mapping affects how real the environment and characters feel. In movies, it's crucial for creating visually stunning and immersive worlds. We hope this video has shed some light on the process of UV mapping and its significance in 3D design. Whether you're looking to get into the industry or just gained a new appreciation for the graphics you see on screen, understanding UV mapping is a great step forward. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its specific terminologies. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and keep exploring new dimensions in learning.